This video is sponsored by NextPCB. NextPCB offers us totally free PCB prototype. That means that you can $0 for 1 to 4 layers PCB. Multi-layer PCB price reduction up to 40%. Click learn more, then see more details about this offer. Get $100 coupon for first sign up. The $0 for 1 to 4 layers PCBs link has been put in the description.
Hi, in this video I show you the project I'm working on. My project consists of a power supply digitally controlled by this board. This board will work in conjunction with another one. I'm currently working on the other board, so I'm only going to show this one for now. In future videos we'll show the metal box and the assembly of front panel. I started this project because I don't really like the resolution and stability of the potentiometer. So in this project I will use the encoder to adjust voltage and current. In fact, when using an encoder, parameter setting is simpler and more precise. I ordered the PCB from NextPCB. Here are some videos of the PCB assembly. I am still waiting for some components, so there are missing components. This board contains almost all the digital components that I need in my project. The MCU I use in my project is the STM32F4. It's powerful and capable of driving all the hardware I used. In addition to the STM32, I added in PCF8575. This is a GPIO expander and gives me 16 more GPIO. This chip communicate with the microcontroller VI2C communication. To the left of the board will be a 3.2-inch TFT screen with touchscreen option. This connector is used for programming via SWD. I uploaded the program from the Arduino IDE with the StreetLink v2. This is a demo sketch to show you how the screen will look once the project will be finished. The set voltage and current values will be displayed on the screen. There will be other pages for navigation in a menu for different settings. On the board there are 8 user push buttons and 1 encoder. The buttons are retroilluminated with different LED colors. After pressing the user buttons, a beep will sound from this buzzer. As set before, the buttons and the encoder will be used to set the output voltage and current. This connector is used to connect a fan to the board. The fan speed can be adjusted via the PWM signal applied to N-channel MOSFET. This connector is used for Connect 2 and TC sensors. This IDC connector at the bottom, it's used for connect this board to the regulation board. The signal are uptorsolated. I can use the USB directly connected to the microcontroller, but in my case, I soldered 2 resistors to connect the USB to classic FT232 or L USB to serial converter. Serial communication is used for debugging and parameter control. That's it for this video. Consider following this channel if you are interested in updates of this project. Thanks for watching.